Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking fashion Facebook story for your fashion or clothing brand. If you want to create a Facebook story on your own, you can easily do it in Canva. First, create an account in Canva, and then go to the search bar and type Fashion Facebook Story. Canva will suggest the best templates available for you. To see all the options, go to See All, and you can pick and modify whichever template you prefer. You can adjust anything you want and create your own design. Let's go with this one, since it's free. Just select the template and customize it as you like. You can explore more options, and once you find one you like, customize that one. Now, you'll see I have full access to modify whatever I want and do anything with this template. If I want to change the custom text, I'll just select the text. Here are the options to change the font if you wish, and this one allows you to change the text color. These are the options. Just give them a try. These are the basics, and you'll understand quickly. That covers text customization. If you want to replace the image in this template, to do that, go to Upload Images from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here, and all you need to do is drag and drop. If I want to replace an image with this one, I'll just swap it with this one. Or if I want to replace it with this one, I'll just drag and drop it here. It's that easy. I can simply drag and drop, and in the same way, your image will be replaced. Or if you want to remove your image, just delete it, like this. You can delete as needed. There is an undo and redo option. In the same way, you can remove or add your own image, text, details, information, logo, branding colors, everything. Once you're finished and happy with your design, to download or rename your file, go to Share. Click Download, and download it as a PNG or any other available format. Just download, and your fashion Facebook story is ready to upload. Thank you for watching.